Budget ng Senado, dinagdagan ng 1 billion. Ang budget ng House of Representatives, 18.8 billion pesos. So hindi lang po PhilHealth ang problema ng 2025 budget. Ang problema natin ay yung kabuuan ng budget at ano yung kinakatawan nito. At naniniwala po tayo na ito na po ata ang pinaka-corrupt na budget sa history ng Pilipinas.
Ito na po na budget ang pinaka-corrupt sa buong Pilipinas. Anong ibig sabihin yan? Napakahindot mo naman na sasabihin mo pinaka-corrupt na budget yung pinirmahan ni Marcos. Pero ang gusto mong ipa-impeach si Sara Duterte.
Ano pa kailam ni Sara Duterte sa budget na?
Hindi si Marcos. Si Marcos yung pumirma sa pinaka-corrupt na budget. Bakit kayo magmamarcha na si Sara Duterte ang ipa-impeach nyo? Bakit hindi kayo gumawa ng impeachment case kay Marcos kung talagang tunay kayo na humahangad na lalaban para sa taong bayan? Ang hirap sa'yo, hindi natin alam kung sinong mga kasama mong mga komunista dyan. Kunyari, pabida-bida ka, pa-interview ka, pero halatang-halata na pala na mayroon ka palang agenda. Kami ni Paring Ado, bilib naman sana sa'yo. Pero ngayon, you revealed to the fact, dyan sa rally nyo ang gagawin sa 31, na ikaw ay isa sa mga lalahok. Alam natin kung sino ang mga kasama mo dyan at you are playing politics, Miss Shelo Magno. Nakakahiya ka na pa-interview, naniniwala sana na kami na tunay ka, pero at the end of the day, you are still playing politics by pushing for the impeachment of Sara, but you're not pushing for the impeachment of Marcos, who has more sins than Sara, who has more impeachable offenses.
Sabi niya, hirap na ang mamamayan, yung Pangulo, ayaw mong tirahin. Pero sinisingit na agenda.
Obvious na ang mga kasama daw dito, si Laila de Lima. Birds of the same feather, flock together. Walang kaibahan pala itong Shelo Magno. Ito yung sinasabi ni commentary ni Sas Rogando at basahin po natin.
We thought, Shelo Magno, that you will not hold your tongue even against your own. Yet it baffles us why one of the organizers of the January 31 rally is Akbayan Party List and Leila de Lima Group. Akbayan Party List voted in favor of the BICAM report, which increased by 106% the budget of the House of Representatives during the BICAM conference. Leila de Lima's DOJ has atrocious audit problems of the unliquidated cash by hundreds of millions when she left it. You are criticizing what happened to the decrease in the PhilHealth budget, which we admire and support you 100%. But we know, Shelo, that in budgeting, decrease somewhere leads to increase somewhere else. We see now in the same BICAM report we both have that the House of Representatives is the #1 top gainer during the BICAM in terms of percentage increase in budget.
Sa magkatuwid, itong Shelo Magno, secret member ito ng Akbayan. Kung kunyari na speaking in general terms, pero secretly member pala ito ng Akbayan. At nagkamali tayo in admiring this person.
Meron pa ako na
ito pala ay isang huwad na nagsasasalita para sa taong bayan. Pero at the end of the day, namumulitika din. Pinupolitika niya si Sara Duterte, pero she spared Marcos. How can you say that this is the most corrupt budget in the history? what budget are you talking about? It is the budget that Marcos passed into law. So, papaligtasin mo si Marcos. Pero si Sara, hindi mo i-spell. Yung kasalanan ni Sara, alleged kasalanan, has not even been concluded by the Commission on Audit.
And it's not even 0.001 of this entire budget.
Oh, sus. Magno, huwag ka nang magmamalinis.
Alam mo,
Bistado ka nang leche ka.
Secretary, nagduda ako dahil kasama rin dito si Antonio Carpio. So, medyo binungkal namin ang credentials itong si Cielo Magno, and we found out na meron pala siyang PhD in Law and Public Policy from the Northeastern University in Boston, Massachusetts.
Ay, bata ng kano ito.
As a Fulbright scholar.
Bata pala ng kano.
Ay, pistado na. Yung akbayan, mga tao ng kano yan.
Tao ng kano yan
grants sa Amerika.
Yes. So, mga kababayan, from now on, lalo na mga DDS, itong Magno ay promotor na gusto nilang ipa-impeach si Sara Duterte. Pero si Marcos, na sinabi niyang gumawa ng pinakamalaking kabulastugan kasi yung budget na pinirmahan ni Marcos was the biggest corrupt budget in the history. She did not even lift a finger to criticize Marcos or to even attempt to have Marcos impeach. Alam mo, tayong mga nag-o-observe, kitang-kita itong si Cielo Magno na gumagalaw pala ito, kunyari, and the truth and the fact of it is that she is making politics because mayroon na palang side ito. So, how do we know now that he is not like Vic Rodriguez na kakampi ni Marcos?